Long-distance relationships, LDRs, evoke a complex mix of emotions. They offer moments of intense longing and yearning, where every shared second feels precious, magnifying the significance of even the smallest gestures or words exchanged. However, this heightened emotional intensity is often contrasted by feelings of loneliness and longing for physical presence. In LDRs, the absence of daily interactions, shared experiences, and physical touch can create a profound sense of emptiness and isolation. Trust and commitment are continually tested in LDRs, as partners navigate challenges such as time zone differences, conflicting schedules, and the temptation of local opportunities for companionship. Maintaining a sense of closeness requires creativity and effort. Virtual dates, surprise gifts, and shared playlists become symbolic tokens of love, serving as reminders that despite the physical distance, the emotional connection remains strong. Yet, there are moments of frustration and doubt, when the longing for physical intimacy feels overwhelming, and the future seems uncertain. Despite the challenges, LDRs have the potential to cultivate profound growth and resilience. Partners learn to communicate effectively, to trust each other implicitly, and to appreciate the value of patience and understanding. The distance serves as a crucible, testing the strength of the relationship and deepening the emotional bonds between partners. Each hurdle overcome reaffirms the love shared, proving that distance is merely a temporary obstacle in the journey of love. Ultimately, LDRs teach us that love knows no bounds and can thrive even in the face of physical separation. Overcoming the challenges of a long-distance relationship, LDR, requires dedication, communication, and creativity. Foremost, maintaining open and honest communication is essential. Regularly scheduled calls, video chats, and text messages help bridge the physical gap and keep partners connected. Setting clear expectations and boundaries also fosters trust and understanding. Embracing technology can be a powerful tool in navigating the distance. Utilizing apps and platforms for shared activities such as watching movies simultaneously or playing online games together can create shared experiences despite the physical separation. Additionally, sending surprise gifts or handwritten letters can add a personal touch and remind partners of their love and commitment. Establishing goals and milestones for the relationship provides a sense of direction and purpose. Planning visits and counting down the days until the next reunion can help maintain optimism and excitement. It's also important to discuss long-term plans and aspirations to ensure that both partners are on the same page regarding the future of the relationship. Building a support network is crucial for emotional well-being. Seeking support from friends, family, or online communities who understand the challenges of LDRs can provide comfort and perspective during difficult times. Engaging in hobbies and self-care activities also helps individuals maintain their independence and happiness outside of the relationship. Lastly, focusing on the positives and staying optimistic can make the distance more manageable. Viewing the separation as an opportunity for personal growth and reflection can help partners appreciate the strength of their connection and the depth of their love. By facing challenges together with patience, understanding, and resilience, couples in LDRs can emerge stronger and more committed than ever before. In conclusion, navigating the hurdles of a long-distance relationship requires open communication, creativity, and commitment. By staying connected, setting goals, and maintaining optimism, love can conquer distance. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and deeper connection. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it is useful for LDR fighters. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that this channel can continue to grow. See ya.